What's up YouTube? Back with another video in the Bee Swarm modded test realm. Today we will be testing how good having 100 gifted precise bees are. Since having 100 gifted buoyant bees was overpowered, let's see how overpowered this beehive is. Alright, last one and done. Now it's time to gift them and make them maxed leveled. Now let's see how fast it can kill the coconut crab. Wow, that was super fast. It took about 15 seconds for me to kill that. I think that's a breaking record. Now let's hop on Pepperfield and see how much boost they give me and see if I can activate my Scorching Star. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of target practices. The highest Scorching Star boost I could get is 1430 Scorching Boost. I could have done better, but since I only have precise bees, it won't really help that much with my Scorching Star. Alright, that's all for today's video guys. As you can see, having 100 gifted precise bees is really good. From the coconut crab, you can see the overpowered damage the bees do. Remember to join the Discord server for future updates about the game. Like and subscribe.